I'll let you know that I have the reflexes of a cat, the speed of a mongoose. Shoot! I dare ya! Ah! Ah! Ha! Ha! Ah! Draven, don't just stand there and throw me something to protect myself! Ah! Ah! Ha! Ha! Ah! It's in the bone! It's in the bone! It's in the bone! Here at the When Nature Calls party, we are for the death penalty.
There you go, Zack. He's gonna kill you. You sure want to do this?
Yes.
Okay.
Do that at home.
Here at the When Nature Calls party, we are against physician-assisted suicide.
Go home and kill yourself.
Orders! Here at the When Nature Calls party, we are against illegal immigration!
Bark the winter!
Okay, students, we are going to read our books now.
Do we have to?
Yes.
Well, I don't want to, man. So what are you gonna do about it?
Uh,
What are you gonna do about it?
hey, don't throw stuff in my classroom.
Man,
Here at the When Nature Calls party, we are for corporal punishment.
Give me your motherfucking money.
hey, man. Here.
Swag. Give me your money!
Man. My money.
Here at the When Nature Calls party, we are against gun control. Get that thing out of my face! Put it next to the box for the When Nature Calls party. Alrighty then. Take care now. Bye-bye then.